welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have with me a special guest who is this guy right here. This is Hakeem, my boyfriend. So we're gonna be doing what's in my mouth challenge. So I saw this video the other day. I just like stumbled upon it and I was like, this is really funny. So we both have our bags of goodies. We have our blindfolds. So this is mine and Hakeem has his tie. So we have about like 7 items each, so we're gonna be putting it in each other's mouths and we have to guess what is in our mouths. We're gonna be blindfolded. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kimberly and this is Enhanced with Kimberly, and I upload a video every single week. I hope that you guys enjoy this challenge and let's get started. I'm like so nervous. Alright, who wanna go first? Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot.
Oh! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so you go first. You sure you can't see now? Oh, and guys, we have water because I just feel so nervous. Alright, babe. I'm not going to get, like, ready? Open your mouth. Open, close your mouth over it. You have to close it.
Ketchup.
Okay, yeah, you're right. You okay?
Yeah.
You don't know what?
I like ketchup.
I don't like ketchup that much though, so alright.
Are you ready?
No, alright, go on. I'm so scared. What? Lucky Charms. Yay! I love Lucky Charms. Open your mouth. Close it.
Salt.
You're salty. I feel so sorry for you because
You're gonna raise my blood pressure. It's okay.
oh, I'm
I'm
sorry.
gonna have hypertension.
No, alright, there's no more salty food.
It's okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
You get bad things for me? Or
Really?
they're all good? Yes. No, but you know, some me feel like say you go for the pettiest thing in the bag now.
Why?
Because me just give you salt. Oh, digestive cookie.
Yes.
Chocolate covered. Oh, babe. Honey.
Come.
Oh my god. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
What?
There's a fly.
Close your mouth.
Some seasoning.
Yes.
Is it Maggie?
Yes.
Seasoning?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
More salty stuff.
Feel bad because I was trying to make it like interesting.
Sorry, babe. I understand.
Oh boy.
Ready?
I think so, yeah. I felt like a bag crinkling. Babe, please wait, hold on.
Close down. Close down your mouth.
Last go.
Yes.
So wait, you give me you high blood pressure and you give me diabetes. Alright, ready?
Cheese from the macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. You want me to open the water for you, babe?
It's cold. No, sorry.
My turn now. I'm not afraid no more. Cup your sweet things you give me. Yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. Alright, something just click. Something from some seasoning.
No, I put down something.
Oh, I no cinnamon. Don't give me no cinnamon, you know?
Him chill.
Don't be can't hang the cinnamon. What a wicked boy!
There you go. Shush, shush. You alright?
You disgust me.
Look at your teeth. Smells nice though.
I need one cinnamon. You wicked nigga.
Thanks for giving me salt. Where you gone?
You're a wicked boy.
Are you done?
You could have killed me.
Is it finished or are you done? So I didn't give you a full spoon.
No, if you give me a full spoon, that would be wickedness. Your smug little face. You ready?
Yes?
Open your mouth. You see? You see? You see how I'm nice?
So I've been nice to you since from the start. Ready?
I let them feel tender.
But yeah, smell for
What else? Breadfruit.
Yes.
You can put little salt on it.
Nope. Can't take out black food.
Oh.
You can use some of my salt we have in there,
No,
but
put little salt.
wait, give me salt alone.
That's for real. I don't like fresh breadfruit. I haven't been showing them the things. You've
I've
been
shown.
showing? I haven't. I forgot. Open here. I'm gonna put it on your teeth and you're gonna chomp down it, okay? 1, 2, chomp.
It's ginger.
We are making it sound like somebody was disputing it. Like, no, it's ginger.
I'm going to spit it out.
Yeah, get her, put it in my hand. We're supposed to eat it because you fail the challenge.
No, never eat it, but
You fail, no, baby, you
I
fail.
didn't feel it.
So that's the end of the video, guys.
No.
You failed the challenge. I'm joking.
Oh.
What?
No. Ready?
I'm nervous.
Open your mouth.
Let me smell it first.
Why?
I'm not sure.
That's not open your mouth right now. So leave your mouth open.
Wide? What kind of way I put in mouth?
Something that we just want to put it in your mouth and then before you come. Rosemary.
American boy!
Eat it.
It went in the back of my throat.
Eat it.
I
It's
can't
good
eat
for you.
this.
Payback for giving me
You're
salt.
wicked. You know what? Lucky, you ready?
Kim, really? Me hear the a while ago say it's oil. And I'm not. I knew it.
It's a good thing I had an extra thing then. Ready?
Thank you.
What is it? I didn't show them.
Just snow. Just
Snow mints. Give me a sec.
Put me more. You want the sweetie? It's a garlic sweet.
Duh.
It's a garlic sweetie.
No.
Garlic
I
candy.
can't eat this, Hakeem. You eat piece of me?
No?
Eat piece of me now? You kiss me after?
You have to brush your teeth.
This not come out of my mouth for a day.
Well, in a day's time, ring me.
But nah, the rest of that then. One kiss.
Thank you for having me.
Wait, hold on. We need to end the video, you poop queer. Yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the What's in My Mouth challenge that we did. Is there anything you want to say to people?
Nice to meet you guys.
You want to close it off the way I close it off?
Bye, guys.
That's not how I do it.
XO. Sharing is caring.
If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Comment below if you enjoyed it, some of what you thought about the video, if you have any other challenge ideas for us. If you want to share this video, sharing is caring, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Subscribe to my channel for weekly videos on all things girly, positive, uplifting, fun like this. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Until next time, XO.